Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the essentials, audio and a compact style guide. Put all files in one folder and give predictable names so you avoid confusion. Assign 3 roles now: transcriber, editor, timecoder, and set a clear turnaround in days. Once done, explain the style guide, speaker labels, timestamp frequency, and verbatim versus clean read. Make sure to confirm software access and file formats. This prevents delays. Start the first 5-minute clip immediately to establish pace and expectations for the team. You now run the active workflow. Everyone works in a shared workspace and you track versions to avoid overwrites. Use a transcription tool with keyboard shortcuts and set playback between 0, 8 and 1, 5x so accuracy stays high. Instruct transcribers to insert timestamps every 30 seconds or at speaker changes and to mark inaudible sections clearly. Once done, route drafts to the editor who follows a checklist: grammar, speaker consistency, timestamp placement, and a QA sample of every 10th minute for quality control. You complete the job by consolidating edits and exporting the final file in required formats like SRT and TXT. Make a final QA pass. Listen only to flagged or unclear segments, confirm timestamps match spoken words, and run a spell check for names and technical terms. Once done, deliver the output and the style guide used so clients can reproduce results. If things go wrong, try noise reduction or re-render the audio. If issues persist, resend the problematic clip with context and timestamps for rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.